Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share screen on Zoom. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, when you go ahead and open up your Zoom workplace, okay, on the Home tab, you'll be able to see share screen. Now, you can just easily click on it and start sharing your screen, okay? The other option, if you're currently on a meeting, okay, go ahead on start in here just for you to see. Now, in here, what you'll do, you just go ahead and click on share right here. We have this up arrow key, click on it and make sure that you enable one of these options, okay? And once that's done, click on share. Now go ahead and select your screen. I have here two monitors, so 1 and 2. The applications that are open. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and open up a document right here. You can go ahead and do that as well as PowerPoint. Okay, let's say I'm just going to go ahead and select my second screen. There you go. I'm going to click on share. And as you can see here, or as you might have noticed, you have this pop-up. This is your main screen. And you'll be able to see your second screen or the window that you're currently recording. There will be a green border. Okay. Well, that means that you're recording the specific window. That's basically it. You can now go ahead and click on share once more. Now, as you can see here, I just moved to my second monitor. This one is recording. You can now go ahead and click on stop sharing right here to stop sharing. Okay. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.